Hi guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Mirko and I'm your Italian tutor. Today we are going to learn about the house. First of all, I want to hear from you. Did you find the previous lesson too much in details? Oh my god, what you're talking about? Let me know. I know that when we learn prepositions or when you go too much in detail in grammar can be discouraging. But guys, remember, you can do it. I still have problem in English when I need to learn the pronunciation of some words and I keep mispronounced, by the way. And some people ask me, pardon? Don't worry, because today we are going to do a tour of my house. Then I have got some flashcards to learn more words. And then we are going to learn expressions related to the house. Let's start.
Cucina, la cucina. La sala o il soggiorno. Ok, il bagno. Ok, camera da letto.
Okay, I hope that you enjoy my house. So in Italian we would call it appartamento. Un appartamento, like mine, we can define it bilocale. However, there are in some places where you're going to have a studio flat. So you have the kitchen, and then you are going to have the bedroom and living room. And in Italian, we're going to call it monolocale. However, maybe you can afford it something more. So you're going to have a 3-bedroom flat. In Italian, we would say trilocale. And obviously, you're getting richer. So you're going to live in a villa. But you're not also rich, but you're posh. So you're going to live in attico. Some attico can be in skyscrapers, especially on the top. So skyscrapers in Italian, grattacielo. Basically, it's like scratching sky. If you go to Italy, you're going to see that we have a lot of block of flats, which are called condominio. I think in American English, you're going to use the word condominium. Okay, so now we are going to learn some expressions, and I find them very funny, and I'm trying to translate them literally from Italian into English so you can understand. So the first one is essere casa e chiesa, which you can translate with churchy. So it's someone that is churchy. So basically stay in the house and he goes to the church. So he's perfect. He doesn't drink, he doesn't smoke, he doesn't go to nightclub. Boring. The second expression, essere di casa, which means, for example, especially between two people, that there is a great relationship. So, for example, I'm going to Maria's house quite often, I'm going to sleep over, I'm going to have dinner there, and I can say, io sono di casa, like I'm a family member. Or you can also use it to describe some situation. For example, let's say that I fly Ryanair. Okay, and I fly Ryanair quite regularly. When I get on board, the hostess say, welcome, sir. And I would say, sono di casa, like I'm used to it because I take Ryanair every time. So the third expression is non sapere dove stare di casa, which, if we want to translate this expression, it means you don't know where your house is. And you are going to use it when you want to say that someone is talking no sense or without logical reason. Then, the first expression, a casa mia. A casa mia, we can translate it like to my house, and you want to use it when you disagree with someone, according to your opinion or your habits. So, for example, let's say that there is someone that is making like some racist comment, but he keeps saying, I'm not racist, but he keeps saying stupid things. And you want to say, a casa mia si chiama razzismo. According to me, we call it racism, okay? are many expressions with the word house. And the challenge for you, I'm going to give you this expression. Let's see if you can figure out and put in the comment section below. Giocare in casa. You have 1 week to learn. If you like the video, remember to give me a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe and to share the love. And another important thing, you can do it. Bye for now.